Greetings, Earthlings. Today we have a starter from Project Rollerblade. It just came in for the usual checks, but we found that we needed to do some work to it. And we have since rebuilt, cleaned, inspected, lubricated, and checked for tolerance. The usual brushes in there. We greased the throwout cogs, the throwout Bendix, and now it is time to test and see whether it's working. So let's do it. So basically, for those who may not know, a starter is always connected to your battery because it pulls a lot of current, and for that it needs to be constantly connected. So power goes in through that guy there, which is the Bendix. The Bendix role is to throw out this cog to make contact with your flywheel, which then spins the flywheel and cranks the engine. Once the engine is running, the Bendix will release it and bring it back. And alongside that, the power will go through the Bendix and through to the starter motor, which is connected via this woven wire you can see here. So what happens when you turn the key is a relay will supply power to this port over here, which then activates the Bendix, which then passes juice from your battery connection here direct through the Bendix to the motor, which then spins it, turning that guy, and of course to your flywheel, which then runs your engine. So let's have a practical example. I am using a 45 ampere hour battery, which is more than enough for this test. So this is fused, as I said, just for protection. You don't need to, but it's good habit. So this is what happens when you turn the key. Power will go through the mains, Bendix, kick it out, run the motor, crank your engine like that. See what happens? It's pretty torquey, so it always throws out my hands. And that is how a starter